me 9 months ago in what I thought would be my last New York City apartment. But of course, we plan and God laughs. So just as I was about to leave for good, I met a guy and got sucked back into New York for one last victory lap. And well, that didn't work out. So now it's time to make my official move west. And I'm so glad to be partnering with Piece of Cake again because this move is a little bit more complicated. In February, I moved all of my stuff into storage in Connecticut. But in May, when I came back after 2 months in Greece, I wanted a few of my creature comforts for what I thought would be the next year in New York. Now I've got to get everything that was in Brooklyn back to Connecticut, put it all in storage until I find a place to live, then ship it across the country from New York to LA. Thankfully, Piece of Cake doesn't judge my wild and chaotic life choices and showed up on time and ready to support my next big dream. Not only did they ship boxes for me to repack everything in Brooklyn, they've also reunited all of my things together in Connecticut, and they even offered storage so I know that my belongings are safe and sound while I focus on finding my next dream apartment. Thanks again, Piece of Cake, and see you in LA.